Alright, so this is Javiii from JT Empire and welcome to my very first YouTube channel video. So I have a mentorship program for my paid members, right? I have also a free group where I would send trades and information to people of the free community. No, I don't have a mentorship program for the free community. So what I'm here to do with this YouTube channel is to share foreign exchange trading information, tutorials, tips of how you guys can capitalize on every single move the market makes on a weekly basis. Even though this channel is mainly about forex trading, I'll also share my views on wealth creation. And for those who are interested in investments, wealth creation, capitalism, those type of stuff, this is what this YouTube channel is all about. So with that said, this is Javiii. Peace.